guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really like this, because like I am in love. Like Sam's Beauty, y'all did y'all thing. I feel like a new person. I feel like, because I haven't did a style like this, like I haven't did no side part that's so deep and looks so good. Like I look good. Okay, so Sam's Beauty, y'all did y'all thing. The curls held because I went to I did my makeup and I put on clothes and stuff, so it held the curl. Don't forget, this is 24 inches. Look, yeah. So I was gonna cut it at first. I might even cut it again. I want it like right here. Oh, that would have been cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut it, just cut off these little pieces. I really like this, and they did a thing with this. I'm gonna put everything in the description box so y'all can go check out their website. If you want this, don't forget it's a full lace wig. I didn't glue down the back, which is okay. This is their celebrity collection, so it's giving me celebrity vibes. So yeah, I hope y'all really like this, because like, look at the lace. And at first, like, the lace was like, I had to customize it to look like this, because at first it was like a lot of hair. It wasn't pre-plucked at all. So I was a little nervous about that. I was skeptical. Okay, I was like, huh? But it came out really cute, and I just plucked it to my liking. And they're not expensive at all. So, and just look how these, it's just, everything is just flowing. So if y'all want to see more reviews from them, they have a YouTube channel, they have Instagram, everything is at Sam's Beauty. Don't forget their website at www.samsbeauty. So this is basically the end of the video. I hope you guys loved this look and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see me review any other companies. And I definitely will, and do any looks. Like, let me know what type of looks y'all want to see, because I stay doing black hair. Like, change it up. So let me know what. Don't forget to head over to samsbeauty.com, to their YouTube, and definitely to their Instagram, and I'll see y'all in my next video.